Hi everyone, welcome back. In this Python video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use the Python MySQL where condition. Alright, so let's get started. Before going to start, I'm going to tell you how many steps we have to use for this. First of all, we have to import the MySQL connector, then we have to pass the credentials like the username and password, and after that we have to write the query and execute it. Alright, and guys, in this video we are also going to learn how we can use the program so that we can save our program to the MySQL injections. Alright, so and this is the username, this is my database name user, and my table name is users, so that we are going to fetch this data with the where condition. Alright, so now let's get started with the program, and I'm going to open also the command prompt. Okay, so let's write here dashboard Python and just writing Python 3.7. this is my Python version, and just write start.py. Alright, so you can see that we got the condition here. Alright, so now just start with the program. Okay, so first of all I'm going to write the import mysql dot connector and take a variable like my db, and we can write here mysql dot connector dot connect. Okay, and here we have to pass the four variables, which is first of all is host. My host name is localhost, and the second one is user. My case user is root, and now password, and you don't need to put the complete password. We have to write the PASSWD. Alright, my password is redhat123, and in your case it can be blank also. And at the last, database, and my database name is user, as you seen in the Chrome browser. Okay, after all, just this is my SQL. Alright, okay, so now just take a variable like my cursor and just write my db dot cursor. This is the function, and it will help you to execute the code. Alright, then I'm going to write the SQL, and SQL something like that. Select star from table name is users, where id is id is 1. Alright, so after this, what I'm going to do, just write my cursor dot execute and pass the SQL here. Fine, now just take one more variable with the result, and in the result I'm going to use the my cursor dot fetch all. Alright, and you can just print the result here. Alright, you don't need to put the semicolon in the Python. Alright, just open the command prompt here, and now just right here, then you can see that we got the result 1, and we have the result like 2 result here. You can see that. Okay, so how we can write the SQL command or executable command like to save the SQL injections. Alright, So for that we just have to use, just put here reset s, okay, and just write one more command with, like, you can write here alt or whatever want to, you put the variable name and just use 1, and don't forget to put the comma at the last here, okay. And now just put this alt as a second parameter. Now let's try to run, then you got the same output, and if I put here 2, then I will got the result of the second one. Alright, so this is a very simple program about the where condition in the Mysql Python, and if you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.